Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait about 1 minute to be safe, because you will be working near electrical connectors. Next, remove the lower dash panel and glove box, unclip the plastic retainers, and take out the visible 6mm screws. Keep hardware organized. Once the covers are off, you'll see the blower motor housing on the passenger side under the dash. Identify the electrical connector and the 3 mounting screws so you know what to detach next. With the area exposed, unplug the blower motor electrical connector and, if present, remove the blower resistor to gain clearance. Then support the motor with one hand and remove the 3 mounting screws. This prevents the motor from falling and bending the fan. Pull the motor assembly straight out, taking note of the airflow arrow and cable routing. Compare the old and new motors for matching connector and flange orientation. Then fit the new motor and any supplied gasket or foam seal before starting to fasten it. Once the new motor is seated, snugly tighten the mounting screws while keeping the fan aligned. Then reconnect the electrical plug and reinstall the resistor and any removed panels. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and run the HVAC blower through all speeds to confirm proper airflow and listen for rubbing or bearing noise. If you still have issues, make sure to check the blower fuse, test for 12V at the motor connector, and verify the resistor and ground are good before assuming a bad replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.